30 years, 5 generations. And in that time, the Audi A4 went from a car that could barely survive a crash test to one of the safest sedans ever built. But the journey to get there? Nobody talks about that. Before we get into it, if you love cars, crash tests, and real engineering breakdowns, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell. Audi A4 B5. The B5 was a genuinely revolutionary car for its time. It replaced the old Audi 80 and introduced a completely new platform that Volkswagen would use across multiple models for years. The styling was crisp and modern, the interior quality was a step above most European competitors, and the availability of quattro all-wheel drive on a compact executive sedan was a genuine game-changer in the American market. Engine options stretched from a modest 1.6-liter four-cylinder all the way up to a punchy 2.8-liter V6, and the driving dynamics were genuinely impressive. This was a car that felt alive and connected in a way that the competition struggled to match. When the B5 was evaluated, the results were not great. In the offset frontal crash test, the A4 showed significant intrusion into the footwell area, meaning the driver's feet and legs were at serious risk. The door structure held reasonably well, but the airbag system was basic by today's standards, and side protection was almost non-existent. Overall, the B5 earned a rating that would be considered poor or marginal by modern benchmarks. It was a car of its time, stylish and well-engineered mechanically, but not built with crash survival as a top priority. Audi A4 B6. Just a few years later, Audi went back to the drawing board. This was a full ground-up redesign, new platform geometry, a dramatically stiffer body shell, and a completely rethought suspension setup that made the car feel more planted and more refined at the same time. The exterior design evolved into something sharper and more mature, and the interior took a meaningful leap forward with cleaner architecture and genuinely high-quality materials. New turbocharged four-cylinder engines arrived, combining real-world efficiency with strong performance in a way the old engines never managed. But the biggest news on the safety front was the addition of side airbags as standard equipment across the lineup, and that upgrade showed up in the crash tests. The B6 performed noticeably better than its predecessor in the Euro NCAP evaluation, earning 4 stars out of 5, a real improvement. The offset frontal test showed better structural integrity, with less footwell intrusion and improved head restraint performance. However, the side impact test still revealed some weaknesses, particularly around chest and pelvic protection. Pedestrian safety was still largely ignored as a category at this point, which was normal for the era. A solid step forward, but not a 5-star car yet. Audi A4 B7. The B7 is the generation that gets overlooked, and that is a mistake. Technically, it shared its core platform with the B6. This was an evolution rather than a revolution, but Audi made targeted and intelligent changes throughout the car. The engine range was upgraded with the new 2-liter TFSI turbocharged four-cylinder, a unit that became one of the most celebrated power plants in the segment, and set a new standard for what a small displacement turbocharged engine could deliver. The suspension tuning was sharpened, the steering was recalibrated, and the interior received Audi's new MMI infotainment system. Genuinely modern for 2005. On the safety side, Audi added standard front and side curtain airbags across more of the lineup, and the body structure received targeted reinforcements around the A-pillar and door sills. In crash testing, the B7 held its own. Euro NCAP results were similar to the B6, with the car continuing to score in the 4-star range. The offset frontal test remained a strong area, while side impact protection showed modest improvements. Not a revolutionary leap in safety, but a steady and consistent performance that showed Audi was taking the issue seriously. Audi A4 B8. Now we are getting into serious territory. The B8 was a complete reinvention of the A4. New platform, new suspension geometry, dramatically stiffer body structure, and an interior that set the benchmark for the segment. This generation introduced a full suite of driver assistance technologies, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a pre-sense safety system that could detect an impending collision and prepare the car's restraint systems before impact. The B8 also introduced the choice of a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission, which combined with the turbocharged engines to deliver excellent real-world efficiency In crash testing, the B8 delivered a major jump in performance. Euro NCAP awarded it the full 5 stars, and the IIHS gave it top safety pick recognition. The offset frontal test showed excellent structural performance. Minimal footwell intrusion, good airbag deployment, and strong seatbelt load management. The side impact test was a highlight. The curtain and thorax airbags worked together to dramatically reduce the risk of head and chest injuries. The rear impact and child occupant protection scores were also among the best in the class. This was the generation where Audi truly committed to making the A4 one of the safest cars in its segment, and the numbers backed it up completely. Audi A4 B9. The B9 is where everything comes together. Audi built this generation on the new MLB Evo platform, a modular longitudinal architecture that underpins some of the most capable cars in the Volkswagen Group lineup. Weight went down dramatically compared to the B8, while rigidity went up. The result is a car that is faster, more efficient, and better to drive, all at the same time. The interior is a genuine work of art, with Audi's virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster and a dual-screen MMI touch interface that set the tone for the entire automotive industry. Engine options include mild hybrid technology on the latest versions, with 48-volt systems that reduce fuel consumption in real-world driving. But let us talk safety, because this is where the B9 absolutely dominates. Euro NCAP gave the B9 5 stars. Not just 5 stars, but a genuinely impressive performance across every single category. Adult occupant protection came in at around 94%, which is exceptional. The side full-width barrier test, which simulates being hit by a large SUV, showed outstanding results with minimal chest and head intrusion. Child occupant protection scored above 80%. And then there is the active safety technology, autonomous emergency braking, cyclist detection, pedestrian recognition, and speed assistance systems all contributed to a near-perfect score in the safety assist category. The B9 is not just safe when the crash happens, it is actively trying to prevent the crash from happening in the first place. That is a fundamental shift in how we think about automotive safety. So there you have it. The Audi A4 went from a stylish but structurally vulnerable sedan in the mid-90s to a genuinely life-saving machine in 2025. If you made it this far, you already know what to do. Hit subscribe, leave a comment telling us which generation of the A4 is your personal favorite, and check out our other crash test deep dives.